Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to combine three cells into one in Google Sheets step by step. Step 1, press Ctrl C, click anywhere, press Ctrl V. Then click the first line, simply press equal, press enter. Use autofill or use manually draw. And in step 2, apply the same process. Again double click, just press equal. Press enter. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.